place?
Well, let me show you.
What is this stuff?
Well, let me explain. This is the plasma cutter. This will slice through your hands in seconds. It cuts everything. This is your ground clamp. This is what electricity goes through. You gotta have your air pressure and your power. Okay? And then I'll give you a little demonstration because why not? Take your steel like so. Put the bitch on there like that. Like butter. Like butter. Okay. Now we will take a tour. This here is the drop saw. This cuts a lot of things. Aluminum, steel, magnesium, and a lot of other things. Chromoly especially. This is the bandsaw. This thing will slice through every fucking thing you can imagine.
Alright.
That's all there is. Back here, this is the cool room. This is where Big Mama lays her eggs. Big turbine sucks all the fumes out of the shop so we don't die. Here's our lever. She fires off pretty good. And this is also our equipment's room where we get all of our materials. As you can see, there's a lot of useless shit in here. Moving on. These are our TIG welders. People doing a lot of work in there today. Nice to see that. And this is the mother of holy Jesus, the plasma can. This thing, you can make all kinds of things. We've cut out stuff over here. As you can see, hearts. I don't know why hearts have been cut out. Welding isn't for pussies. Now we'll be going to the machine shop.
Alright.
There's some cool ass fucking shit in this place, let me tell you.
How many machines do you have in the machine shop?
Oh, we probably got about 30-ish. See, here's our lathe right here. See, with this, your workpiece spins and your thing that you drill it with doesn't.
Oh, so this is like a clamp, basically?
Exactly.
Okay.
And then this holds it. Pull this, just push that in. Twist this, pull the brake, and push it in, and it holds it. But then, we have the mills. These are our mills.
Alright.
You put your workpiece in here, just clamp it in there, and then your drill bit spins. Very high dollar piece of machinery right here for very high valued workers.
So kind of like what he's doing there.
Exactly.
Okay.
And that's the machine shop for you.
Alright.
Yeah. Awesome, I know. See how big that some bitch is? Look at that.
Yeah.
But let me go grab my stuff and we'll get started.
Alright.
This is our acetylene tank. This is a very flammable gas that we use. Very good. This is oxygen. It's accelerator. This bitch blows up. This thing will make it blow up bigger. Then you just twist this knob right here. Always turn acetylene on first. Always. Just a crank and a half, and then your oxygen. This is also your regulators. How much poundage is going to be put through the lines. And then your oxygen up here. You crank this baby all the way open. Then you go over here, grab your striker, turn your gas on, get her fired up, get her dialed in just right, turn your oxygen on just a fuzz. Well, she's a little rusty sometimes, but it's okay. Well, alright, we're ready to go now. Always wear your eye protection. Always. You never use this without your eye protection. Ever. That's how she's done. All right. I'll let you give her a shot.
What the hell is going on over here?
Yeah, you're not even. Yeah, you gotta lay a bead, but you're not. Your arc length is so off.
No, it's not, dude. It's fine.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Dude, you're like that far away.
Dude, bro, I'm literally close.
So you gotta have that arc length tight.
What are you guys doing?
Dude, we're welding, bro.
Bro,
Bro.
how do you weld?
How do you weld? You don't know how to weld? You're in here?
Yeah,
You're fully suited up?
I'm ready for the task.
You ready?
I think so.
Man, you want to teach? Let's teach us get out of weld.
Let's
dude.
teach him. Let's go.
See this right here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Electrode.
Can't see it. Now I can see it.
You see that thing right here?
I see it right
It's
there.
called a stinger.
All right. All right.
Electrode holder. Also.
Electrode holder.
Yeah.
This right here is the electrode.
Kind of looks like a Peter.
You ready for this?
Electrode. There, oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa.
There's many types of electrodes in the art of welding.
Yeah.
There's 7018, which is this white beauty right here.
Yeah.
There's 6010s. This is that be deep
Is it
penetrating.
130s?
Yeah. Probably.
Yeah.
No.
Hold on. Get
No.
this out of here. No,
I'm letting be.
Hold on. Just wait. I got it. Hold on. So it's called 7018. The 70 is for the tensile strength. The 1 is for the position. And I don't know what the 8's for.
The 8 is for what creates this rod and how it works.
Alright.
The 8 is it's a high iron deposit.
Yeah, he got that off Google.
I did.
Don't let him fool you.
I'm good. You ready for this?
I'm ready.
Run that beat.
Now you see, I ain't running away from it. All right.
Bub, get her in there tighter.
I'm
Travel
unsteady.
speed is way too high.
I'm unsteady, Clayton. You're bumping me.
I ain't bumping you, you jackwagon.
There we go.
Yeah, there you go. Nice and crisp, like.
I see her now. We're burning her, brother.
I see her crystal.
Oh, I lost it.
Come on, get her nice and
Now
tight.
pay attention, TJ. My arc is real close in there, right?
Yes, sir.
That bright light
Yep.
is burning. Now watch, I'm gonna jump ahead, and then the puller's gonna like redo some stuff.
Now that's a flat weld. This is
Now-
flat position.
Now you see this right here. Bring that over here now.
Get that over here, bub.
You see that?
No.
Look at that slack deal.
Look at that slide here.
Is that kind of like beating yourself or something?
Yeah, a little bit.
You know, like, jacking the meat?
Yep.
All right. That's
Jacking
what
the
welding
meat.
is,
You're
right?
baiting the stick.
I better try it out.
Yeah. Wait, look white. Okay, we're good.
Holy fuck.
I told you to look away. I told you to look away. What are you doing? Huh?
Ah.
Look down here. Let's go.
Well,
Come here, Jimmy.
101
Let's get this beat, bub.
We're gonna do it. Bro, you gonna hold it? Look at man. Lean yourself against there. Put this arm down there and be in there.
Okay.
No, you don't want to lean. Just freehand it.
Oh, okay, free hand. Now
Freehand.
what you're gonna do is hold it like a little bit like a gun, okay? Like a pit style.
You
Like
can't
that.
hold that son bitch like a
Okay.
gun, dude.
Damn, your hand.
It's round.
Okay, right
Your
there.
damn thumb in yonder, Bill.
Yonderville.
Okay. Now you want to rest yourself with this arm, okay?
All right.
Oh
Like you're
God.
about to spank the paint.
Yeah.
And once I go down here, it's just gonna start going by
A little
itself.
bit, a little bit. All right.
Just
You gotta,
less
you gotta
than sticks.
snap that in, all right? And once it starts going, you keep that thing in there, all right?
All right.
You got it going.
Let's go.
Well, what the fuck you're saying?
Oh, you stuck it.
Just
Gotta move
scratch
quick.
it.
Gotta move
Scratch
quick.
it
You gotta go quick.
Gotta move quick.
What do you mean you gotta move quick?
Scratch it like a pencil.
Scratch like a pencil, exactly.
Scratch like a pencil?
Like an ink pen ain't working. Oh, there, brother. You're stucker. You stucker. You stucker. Now pull it off like a man.
The fuck are you talking about?
Get back down in there.
Well,
Scratch
you weren't exactly on the
gotta
best
move it quick.
example because this shit bead that old boy did.
Oh. Oh.
I mean, I could show you how to do a good bead.
Let's go.
So I go hard with it?
Yeah, go
It
hard.
costs about
I
20
can't do
hours
that.
for a
You're
good
okay.
bead.
You're okay. Down.
There we go.
That's okay. That's okay.
I fucking burnt the other thing
You
right
missed,
there.
you missed it. You missed it. Go again. Go again. Yeah. No. I'll hold your head. You ready? Put your helmet down.
Look, scratch, not bang.
I screwed you. I
Scratch.
screwed you.
You screwed me.
All right, look.
This is shit.
Instructor Chandler Smith. Scratch, not bang. Come on.
No, not too hard.
You're banging, you're not scratching.
Okay, hold it down. Hold on. Ready? Oh shit. Shit ain't going, brother. Hold on. All right. Plan B. Don't throw that rod right
Yeah,
here.
get that garbage out of here. Fresh rod.
No, do that right here. Fresh rod.
Here, let me show you how to do it.
No.
And
We gotta get really short a little bit of it here.
okay.
Instructions.
All right. You could borrow a brush
What
at
you
it.
first do, right, is you...
All right, this one right here is gonna instantly go.
Right.
She gonna
So
fire off.
you just go.
Yep.
Just like that.
Kind of. Well, you I don't know.
Instructor Chan, hold the man's hand so he gets a good feel of what to do.
You ready for this? You ready for this?
Hold it straight up and down. Your angle, your rod angle is
What
back.
the fuck are we doing here?
Well, you stuffed her in there, brother. I tried to
What do
pull
you
her
mean?
away, but your hand was pulling it. You're a little stronger.
There you go. No, keep her in there. Keep her in there. I'm gonna let go. You keep that rod down there, okay? Roll there, brother. Keep her down. Keep her down. Keep her down. There you go.
Get that arc length in there, Mike.
There it is. It's not the top.
He looks tight.
You see how that's working? Yeah.
He looks tight like a
Keep
bird.
pushing it. Keep pushing it. There you go. Keep pushing it. Now come back. Come back. Oh, that worked.
And when you come
Ladies
back,
and gentlemen, that is
at
TJ
the end of
Robinson's.
your weld, when you come back, that's called cap. You
That's
cap
how you
off the
fuck it
weld.
up right there, bud.
Yep, that's how you do it.
Knock that slag off.
Now what do? You do that too?
What's he doing?
Hey, pull up.
I don't fucking know. Here, take it.
You want me to, does the master instructor
Here,
need to...
listen to me, Will. Put that camera on me real quick. Point is, don't weld. Go to Auto Tech. Thank you.